Welcome to Thursday. So today we'll be doing the prototypes. So what actually happens in the prototypes is we had the final storyboard from Wednesday that would start getting into something more realistic now. So at the end of the Thursday you will have a more realistic prototype out of it. In prototyping, the important is having the prototyping mindset. So what that actually means is no matter what idea you are working on, how complex it is, you should believe that it can be prototyped. Once you have this mindset ready, you have to go to pick up the tools. And picking up the right tools is important here. You might be using Photoshop, you might be using Sketch or everything to have a good quality design screens or good quality wireframes or prototype screens at the end. But important in this steps is speed, because you have to finish off all the prototyping screens in the particular day, I would say. So what you do is pick up some easy tools, which I usually use Figma, which is very easy to use. You can go with other tools such as Axial. You can also go with Sketch, Photoshop and Keynote as well. A lot of users I have seen recently using Keynote for prototyping. So once you pick up the right tools, you have to divide and conquer. So what I mean by divide and conquer is not one person cannot be sitting in front of that computer and putting together all the prototype screens. So you have to distribute that work within your team. So one person would act as a writer, one would be asset collector, another would be someone who would be doing the stitching part, and the final someone who is given the responsibility to interview. When all of this team works together and they put together the prototype, it should look something like this. What's important again on the prototype is doing the test run. See, imagine you are having something on Friday, doing the final test for the prototype, and if something goes wrong, so you have to, I would say in a way, proofread it. So you have to do a test run for your entire team on Thursday evening. Once you have done the test run, there are of course you should keep some time to go back and make changes to the prototype, and then you are all set for Friday, which is the final day.